Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Supreme Court reps state government for cancelling NEET based admissions, terms Parrikar government's act as absence of common sense in an uncommon degree. Mining suspension was a collective decision. Government wants to start at least 22 mines by September end. Four-laning of roads in all 40 constituencies, assures Sudin. After Vasco Sapta, traditional Astamichi ferry in Panji suffers due to mining ban. Vendors say they won't survive if mining ban continues. Parrikar contradicts Panji police's claim. Girls were not brought by SP MLA Mahendra Kumar. Mastermind Manohar forced victims into flesh trade. And India meet Pakistan in opening match of SAF Championship in Kathmandu on Sunday. Defending champion India start as favourites. Now the news in detail. The Supreme Court has slammed Goa government for cancelling admissions based on NEET for postgraduate courses at Goa Medical and Dental College. The Apex Court has termed the state government's move to cancel NEET-based admissions as absence of common sense in an uncommon degree. The court in its order has confirmed all NEET-based admissions but has also directed to give admissions to the internal MBBS pass-out candidates on the vacant seats which have been transferred to the state from All India quota.
The Supreme Court came down heavily on Goa government for cancelling NEET-based admissions and observed that the admissions given on the basis of NEET examination have been protected, hence their admissions could not be cancelled by the state government. The Apex Court also observed that the authorities of the state government have felt courageous enough to play possum and proceeded to crucify the fate of the candidates who had been protected by the verdict of this court, and the act of Goa government shows total lack of prudence and such an action is absolutely impermissible. The Supreme Court made it clear that those who have been admitted on the basis of the NEET examination shall be allowed to prosecute their studies. The Apex Court also said that neither they can direct to increase of seats at colleges and nor can issue directions to adjust them in respect of subsequent academic year. But considering innocence of the internal MBBS pass-out candidates, the Apex Court said that 21 seats of All India quota in postgraduate medical course and 7 seats in dental course have been transferred to the state quota. The court has also allowed to admissions to internal pass-out candidates if the vacancies occurs.
The Supreme Court has crushed the arrogance of the state government, slamming Parrikar government's act to cancel NEET-based admissions. The Apex Court has said that the powers of the government must be used with wisdom and humbleness. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Mining suspension was a collective decision of the state government, union government and stakeholders. This confession has come from PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar during inauguration of independent MLA Naresh Sawal's office in Bisholi. Naresh Sawal's present renovated office was the main office of his staunch political opponent and three-time BJP MLA Rajesh Patnekar.
त्या तरेन जर ते चल्लले जाल्यार सबंद गोंय फुडल्या 15 वर्सांत काबार जातलें आशिल्लें आनी ह्या खातीर सगळ्यांनी संघटीत जावन तो निर्णय घेतिल्लो त्या वेळार. तातूंत काँग्रेस आशिल्ली, वयले सरकार आशिल्ले, सगळे जाण आशिल्ले. एकटा मनोहर पर्रीकार किंवा सुदीन ढवळीकार हें करूं शकना. येता त्या सप्टेंबर पर्यंत 22 महिने कमीत कमी चालू जावपाक जाय हो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा.
Minister finally gave the good news. Daulikar assured four-laning of roads in all the 40 constituencies.
येता त्या वर्साक सबंद बिचोलीचेच न्हय 40 मतदारसंघ आमचे जे ओपोजिशन सुद्धा असले आसात जाले सुद्धा मनोहर पर्रीकार आणि आम्ही सगळे मिळून हे सगळे रस्तेच न्हय हायवे सुद्धा 4 लेन करपाचे आम्ही ठरयले आसा.
Candidates will be able to join any political party once they are elected as independent MLAs. Such a law is in making.
Already Rajya Sabha ताजे डिस्कशन जालें. त्या एक्टाक कितें आसतलें तर जेन्ना अपक्ष आमदार निवडून येता तेन्ना ताका 1 वर्सा भितर ताणें डिसिजन घेवंक शकता आनी तें डिसिजन ताचें अशें आसतलें की तो खंयच्या तरी एका पक्षांत जॉइन जावंक शकता आनी तो खंयच्या तरी बऱ्या पक्षांत वतलो अशें म्हाका दिसता आनी तोच खरो ताजो मुखार वचपाचो एक मार्ग आसतलो अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Previous congressman and now an independent MLA of Bicholi, Naresh Sawal, has inaugurated his office. Surprisingly, his new office was erstwhile MLA Rajesh Patnekar's den during his tenure as BJP MLA.
गेले 1.5 वर्स मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे हांव परत मागतालो की जो फाटलो आमदार आमचो दिवचलच्या कार्यालयात बसतालो ते कार्यालय म्हाका दिवचें म्हणून. आनी शेवटी मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी आमचें आयकलें आनी हे जे कार्यालय आसा म्हणजे APP क्वार्टर्स जाका पयलीं म्हणटाले आनी तेच्या नंतर ते आमदाराचे कार्यालय अशें म्हणटाले ते कार्यालय मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी म्हाका दिलें.
Uday Parab for Prudent.
One of the popular fairs of Panji, Astamichi Ferry, has witnessed total slack in sales this year. Vendors are upset as their sales dipped during Saptah in Vasco also. And now in Panji, they are waiting for customers. Vendors say mining ban has affected their business very badly.
Mining ban has not only affected the people from mining belts, but it has also hit the cities and the port town. The annual fair, which comes to Panji 8 days before Chavath, is popularly known as Ashtamichi Ferry. Vendors have been doing a good business over years, but this year the story is different.
हम लोग 13 साल में फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा देख रहे हैं क्या मतलब लॉस में गया हुआ है और पब्लिक के पास तो पैसा है नहीं है और मैग्नीस की वजह से भी और कुछ सारी कंपनियां भी बंद हुई है, पब्लिक को मतलब ना निकाला गया हुआ है, उससे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ गया है. नहीं बोलो 100 में से 10% भी धंधा नहीं रहा. और अभी यहाँ पर भी आके 3 दिन हो गए, 3 दिन में कोई भी अभी तक एक भी चीज़ नहीं गई है और पब्लिक पहली बार तो आती है, देखती है, चले जाती है और रिस्पॉन्स कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
गेल्या वर्षी मातशें झाले, या वर्षी कितें बी ना. कितें बी ना, लोक असले करे धंदो ना.
पयलीं पेक्षा बरें जातालें, आतां तितलें कमी जालां वजा दिवपाक. लोकांच्यान आतां वजा दिवपाक जायना कित्याक रेटी वाडला, सगळें मायनींग बंद जाला.
Some of these vendors narrated how bad the business was at Saptah in Vasco, all due to suspension of mining operations in Goa.
वास्कोचे सगळें डाऊन जालें. आमगे कितले बिजनेस करतले थिंगा वास्को सगळें बंद करून उडयलें आमगेलें. मायनींग बी बंद जालो. लोक कोण येना बाजाराक.
तो बिर्ला सगळे बंद आहे, MPT बंद आहे, गोवा शिपयार्ड बंद आहे आणि लोकांकडे पैसे ना. बिझनेस आमकां इतले काय जावंक ना. मायनींग मेन बंद, पैसे काय ना, बिझनेस कमी आहे आमचो बिझनेस.
Dinesh Karpe from Panji for Prudent.
Panji police's claim that MLA Mahendra Kumar Singh had brought the victim girls from Delhi with him has been contradicted by social activist Parrikar. She was present when victim girls were recording their statements at Panji police station. Parrikar suspects that the girls might have been called by mastermind Manohar with an intention to force them into prostitution.
Goa police had claimed that the MLA Mahendra Kumar Singh had brought the 6 victim girls with him from Delhi and stayed with them in a luxury hotel at Kandoli. But social activist Parrikar, who was present at the time when the victim girls were recording their statements, says that 4 girls had come by train from Delhi and 2 girls came from Mumbai by bus. Later, middleman Baldev Raj alias Manohar took them at a hotel in North Goa and girls had to cook their food on their own.
23 तारखेक थंयसून भायर सरली ती दिल्लीसून आयल्या ती गोवा एक्सप्रेसान. 25 तारखेक सकाळी ती मडगांव पावली. तेच्या उपरांत तांकां हांगासून 2-2.5 किलोमिटरा प्रमाणे व्हेला तांकां. म्हणजे तांकां खंय व्हेल्या बागा कलांगूट ह्या सायडीन तांकां व्हेल्या आनी तांकां ज्या हॉटेलान तांकां दवरलेले पळय न्हू थंय रांदपा बिनपाची सगळी वेवस्था आसलेली आनी ती भुरगीं ती चेडवां आसा ती आपुणूच रांदून बिनून जेवल्या थंयसर.
Parrikar also says that police is suspecting victim girls to be sex workers just because they tried to hide when police reached at the spot to raid. But the girls have stated that they were introduced to the MLA and his companions at the hotel Viva Goa on the pretext of their dance performance.
पुलिसाचे म्हणणे कशें आसा खबर आहा? म्हजोय तोच क्वेश्चन आहा. जेन्ना तांकां डान्स म्हणून हाडले, डान्सर म्हणून हाडली, ती नाचता पुलीस जेन्ना येयलो ती लिपली कित्याक? तांकां लिपयली म्हणजे बार हे आमचो हॉटेल मालक आणि तो मनोहर यांच्यानी सगळ्यांनी मिळून तांकां डान्सर म्हणून हाडल्या आणि मागीर तांकां सेक्स वर्कर म्हणून वापरतली का कितें हो आमकां दुबाव आसा. 4 जाणां चेडवां जी दिल्लीसून येयल्या त्या 4 चेडवांनी सांगलां की आमकां मनोहरान 2 दिसाचो ऑर्केस्ट्रा आणि त्या ऑर्केस्ट्रान तुमकां डान्स करपाक जाय आणि तुमी डान्सीक लागून यो म्हणून सांगलें म्हणटकूच ती आयल्या.
Meanwhile, Mahendra Kumar Singh and the other accused have filed petitions for bail before JMFC court at Panji and the court will hear the matter on Monday. The MLA has got himself admitted in the GMC complaining of uneasiness. Meanwhile, Goa police has claimed that they have enough evidence to prove the case and their version. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Pratik Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.